Talk to the camera. What are you doing?
I'm feeding the chickens. Why are they not coming to me? No.
Give them a minute. They'll come to you. See, look at Bellatrix. And here comes Tonks. Oh, don't move it.
She knew I was doing.
There's Luna.
Who doesn't like me?
She doesn't like people at all. It's not you.
Food.
Look at me.
There. I feed you this. I buy it. I bake it. Hey.
Here's a close-up of Tonks and Henmoine. Tonks is being mean to Henmoine.
Tonks has poop on her butt.
That's Bellatrix.
Eating.
And Luna. And Samantha.
Everyone knows who I am.
And then Beaky, because we were cleaning her cage out and we need her to get used to seeing them. Who is that you got, Sam?
I have Bellatrix. I haven't told the others.
What's her name?
Bellatrix laCluck. Hey, do you like me? She likes me.
Why did you call her Bellatrix laCluck?
Because she's the boss.
She's the boss and she's all black, right?
Right. And I kind of see some orange and green.
Green.
When she's
And
in the
purple and blue.
sun. Why is this on you?
I don't know.
Why is Beaky's feathers on you? Have you been touching Beaky? Have you? She never ever poops on me when I hold her.
That's
She
good.
likes me.
That's good.
Oh my. Hen. Who was pecking me?
Who you got?
Looney Lovegood.
Luna lays good.
Luna lays good.
What kind of chicken is she?
She's a barred rock.
That's good.
The one that poops on people. She really doesn't.
She hasn't pooped on you yet.
This is the first time I've held her.
So where is she in the pecking order?
She is, I think, the second boss.
Yeah, she's the second one.
Second boss. I think, right?
She nice?
She's nice.
Hey, don't pull her feathers. Is it the first time you've gotten to hold her because Mommy caught her?
Yes. She doesn't like me.
She doesn't like people. It's not just you. She doesn't like it when I picked her up either.
No.
She was a little freaked out, but that's okay.
She doesn't like people that hold
Does she
her.
have the reddest comb out of everybody?
Yes, and she is going to be the first one that's going to be lame.
That's
Yay.
what that generally means, yes.
No.
You let her go?
Shoot.
Now who you got?
I got Tonks.
Why do you call her Tonks?
Because Tonks changes her hair in the movie, and she has 3 different, and this chicken has 3 different colors. You see the orange, and in the sun is green and purple.
All right, so you called her Tonks?
Yes, a nymphadora Tonks.
Nymphadora Tonks.
We don't have a cheapy name for her. So
You're right.
Nymphadora Tonks.
Nymphadora Tonks?
Yep. Go, shoot. Oh,
She's
sure.
tried to get away a couple of times. So, ah! And the Bellatrix just tried to bite me. Who's that?
Henmoine.
Henmoine?
Yes.
What kind of chicken is Henmoine?
She is
A California white?
a California white.
And this one you raised from a baby, right?
Yes, right. That one we got as a pullet.
Well, they're all technically pullets because they're not laying yet, but that one you had from a baby that we got from the feed store, right?
Righty. Right, girl. Right, girl.
She a good little chicken?
Yes. So those are my chickens. Anyway, Bellatrix is a black extra
Astralorp.
Astralorp, and tonks is what?
A black sex link.
A black sex link. And you're about to see Beaky, which is an anaconda, which is a blue wheat.
She's a blue wheaten Americana, not anaconda.
Americana blue wheaten. I hope you see it, baby. The one is Beaky.
Named after
Buckbeak.
Why did you call her Buckbeak?
You mean Beaky?
Yes.
Because look at her head. Does she look? It looks like a hawk, right?
Yes. And Buckbeak's
head looks like a hawk.
There you go.
See? She's half chicken, half hawk.
Let me see her. She's so pretty.
Yeah, well, pretty.
She's blue and brown and gray. That gray is blue colored.
And look at her feet. She's gonna lay blue eggs.
Okay. What kind of egg? What kind is she?
She is a blue wheaten.
What? That's the color. What breed is she?
She is a Americana.
How old is she?
She is with us she's like 2 weeks old. I think.
She's 9 weeks old.
9 weeks old. Since she was a baby.
So she doesn't live with the big chickens yet, does she?
No.
She's
doesn't.
still by herself in the brooder?
Yeah. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Who knows?